Yeah, they're gonna clear out the dog.
Fuck, Eddie, you can't tell both of them was on? I thought only one was on.
What? What you talking about?
He got in an argument with
What?
I don't know, he left something on.
The stove?
Yeah.
You rent the galley.
Oh, he went the dogs in.
They're clearing it. He's still blasting me. He's like, they're gonna get.
You let the dogs in?
They took a dog in.
I don't think there's no one else in there.
Yeah, but they always check. Like, you gotta get the other guy down.
Imagine.
That's true. Look at that good. It's huge. Like, is this recording? Is that true?
Look at it.
That's what I'm playing, like something to explode before gunshot.
I'm waiting for something. Oh, bah, 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 bah.
I can't hear shit because
Yeah.
Preach on.
he's gonna go into the house. This guy got
Oh
close.
shit, this nigga crazy.
Look at that, they're staring at him. They're still staring at him too. This is difficult. Like they're still staring at him. Oh, look at this guy! Look at this guy! Look at this guy! With it. Oh, he lives there. Okay. Want the dog on? Like he's recording up there. Like they're looking at him.
He's giving a bravo. I'd hate to be an officer right now.
No, they're talking. Why ain't there no black cops? Here? Oh, he's gonna get him. He's gonna get him.
Oh shit, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
He's gonna throw his ass in the car. He got the dog. You gotta watch out. He don't bite it.
You heard what he said? He said, why is there no black cops on
Hey, you better, if you're the shooter, you better ain't right because I want to get shot.
They gotta chase him. Imagine they get chased. Like they gotta get him. You better not get in your car. You better not get in your car. You better not get in your car. You better run in your car. He's gonna chase him. Oh shit, he's coming up.
Oh, he's gonna duck it up.
He's gonna throw him down the slope. What is he doing? He's going to the ground. He's gonna throw that to the ground. Oh, he's a guy. He just got handcuffed like that. He can't even care. I like the dog. The dog wants to. Oh, imagine the dog comes out. Like the dog is barking. I'll let the dog out. I'll let the dog out.
Oh shit, dog.
Yeah, the dog. Like he's trying to jump out too. Look,
Let it jump up.
oh shit.
Hey, watch it! Watch it, watch it!
Yeah, that dog. Yeah, that dog is smart. Get back, dude. Get back. He's gonna miss. Shot.
Shot the dog! Man, he was a ghost. That kid was nuts.